Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute card with the Thanks a Bunch stamp set that you can earn for free during Sale-A-Bration. Here's my card that I made with the Thanks a Bunch stamp set that you can earn for free when you place a $50 US order during Sale-A-Bration, which ends in February. I started with a card base of fresh fuchsia, normally 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, and folded in half. And then I've used some of the Dandy Designs designer series paper that you can also earn for free during Sale-A-Bration. So I'm going to mat it with some pale papaya. So this piece is about 3 7/8 by 2 1/2, and so is this one. And I'm just gonna adhere them on. Now I'm just going to stamp the carrots with fresh freesia. I saw purple carrots for the first time when I went on a field trip with my daughter to a farm called Hidden Villa in Los Altos in the hills. They were growing some purple carrots there. So this is an additional stamp that adds some texture onto the carrot. So I'm going to use Gorgeous Grape so I can have really nice contrast. And I'm going to do my best to try to line these up. And I'm going to stamp a couple of these leaves in Granny Apple Green. Lastly, I'm just going to add the sentiment, and here's my carrot card.